What's going on, Be Different fam? Welcome to our level 2 workouts. In the level 2, we're going to set a timer for anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes depending on the intensity you are looking for. All you need are your dumbbells and some bands to get these exercises done. So make sure you walk through all of these exercises, or you can follow along the workout routine and repeat the video each round. If you don't have all the equipment to perform these, you can always check level 1 for the same type of exercise. I hope you enjoyed level 2 workouts.
Don't forget to take a screenshot so you can revisit the exercises. Starting on our hands and knees, make sure your wrist and shoulders are aligned, your hips and knees are aligned, and slowly lift your knees off the ground and with control start walking forward. Perform 5 steps forward and 5 steps back. Exercise number 2 is going to be a reverse lunge with dumbbells. So holding the dumbbells in your hand, take 1 step back, drop the knee with control, and then step right back up. To increase the intensity, you could always alternate from your left and then going to the right side. Make sure that you keep your chest and upper body nice and strong, shoulders back and core nice and tight. Imagine your spine stays nice and long up towards the ceiling as you step back with control and drop that knee down. Perform 10 on each side. Our next exercise is going to be a push-up. Again, making sure our shoulders and wrists are aligned. Legs straight out into a nice long, strong plank from our feet to our shoulders. Slowly lower your chest between your hands with good control, and then push the floor away, extending your arms. Perform 5 to 10 reps. If you have difficulty with regular push-ups, you could always go down to knee push-ups or elevated push-ups. Exercise number 4 is going to be a bodyweight squat. Feet shoulder width apart. We want to slowly bring our hips down, sitting down towards the ground, keeping our chest and head upright. Make sure you breathe through this exercise. Inhale as you come down, exhale as you stand back up. Perform 10 reps. Exercise number 5 is a single arm dumbbell row. Finding a position where you could place your hand and stabilize one side of the body, slightly leaning forward. With the other hand holding the dumbbell, you want to pull up towards the ceiling, keep your shoulder down, and drive that elbow close to the side of the body. Slow and controlled movement is always preferred. As you can see here, Coach Rudy packs his shoulder down and back, and then drives that elbow up with good control, with a little pause at the top, and then controlling it back down, 10 on each side. Lastly, exercise number 6 is a banded RDL. Go ahead and grab your super band, wrap it around your neck, and then we're going to step on it so it's nice and stable. Keeping your hands on the band around the hips will allow you to have good, firm control of the resistance. Focus on pushing your hips back and then standing up. Keep that back flat and make sure you're initiating the movement with the hips by pushing the butt back. Perform 10 reps.